When you're making mindfulness tools that you know someone else is going to absolutely love and use, there's nothing in the world like it. It's like magic. The very first time I started making mindfulness tools with rocks and crystals, I found myself going into a very heightened state of consciousness. It was like a state of samadhi or tranquility. And then as I continued on, it quickly turned into a contemplative spiritual exercise where I became extremely present. And my awareness and sensitivity increased tremendously. And I began to become very aware of the energetic vibrations, the spiritual beingness within each element, crystal or rock, that I was working with. It was then that I knew for certain that each element is actually alive. And it was exactly what my great-grandfather taught me. Some are very happy, some not so much. And I could influence their vibrations and they could influence mine. But each one is a unique soul that's very much one of a kind. And as a result of this new experience, I remember feeling transformed from the inside out. I was happy, so centered. It was like somebody opened a window, and for the very first time in my life, I was seeing the sunlight and breathing fresh, clean air. An entirely new world expanded right in front of my eyes. At the time, I was suffering from debilitating PTSD, anxiety, and depression. And the journey to recovery was so rocky, and there were so many times I just really wanted to throw in the towel. So creating my own mindfulness tools instead of using someone else's was strangely liberating. Eventually, I came up with a process to create usable mindfulness tools in a unique way, but at the same time, honor and harness the natural qualities that are just inherent within these beautiful crystals. I ended up with this incredible set of tools that I absolutely fell in love with, because not only did they help me in a really big way, I knew they could help so many other people too. And I've been addicted ever since. Hi, I'm Audrey, and I am thrilled to pass my obsession on to the world.